In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a part of the drawing in AutoCAD. Printing a specific area of your drawing can be incredibly useful when you want to create detailed presentations or share a particular section with colleagues. So, let's dive right into the steps you'll need to follow to successfully print a selected part of your AutoCAD drawing. To begin, let's start by opening your drawing in AutoCAD. Once you're ready, press Ctrl and P simultaneously on your keyboard. This shortcut will bring up the Print or Plot dialog box, where you'll find several options to customize your printing preferences. Now, the first thing you'll want to do is select your printer or plotter. You can choose the printer you have connected to your computer, or if you prefer a digital format, you might opt for one of the plotter options that can convert your drawing into a PDF or PNG format. This is particularly handy for sending digital copies via email or storing them for future reference. Next, move on to the paper size. It's important to select a paper size that best suits your needs, because this will determine how your drawing will appear once printed. You can select the appropriate size from the drop-down menu, so ensure it's compatible with your printer's capabilities and the intended use of the print. Now, to select the specific area of your drawing you want to print, look for the What to Plot drop-down menu. Here you'll choose the Window option. Once you select this, you'll be redirected back to your drawing, allowing you to draw a window or a rectangular box around the precise area you wish to print. This step is crucial for focusing only on the part of the drawing you need. After defining the area, it's time to tweak the plot offset. Setting the offset to the center will ensure your selected window area is correctly centered on your chosen paper size. This simple adjustment can greatly impact the final output by ensuring everything lines up neatly. Next, you should check the plot scale. If scaling isn't a critical factor for your task, you can choose the Fit to Paper option, which will automatically adjust the selected area to fit onto your paper size. However, if maintaining a specific scale is important, make sure to manually set the scale that meets your requirements. You'll also need to determine the drawing's orientation. Depending on your content and paper choice, select either portrait or landscape. This will ensure that your printed area is displayed properly, maximizing space and clarity. Before hitting print, take a moment to preview your drawing. At the bottom left corner of the dialog box, there's a preview button. This allows you to see exactly what your printout will look like and is an essential step for catching any potential mistakes or adjustments needed. If everything looks good, you're ready for the final step. Simply click OK to begin the printing process. And there you have it, a neatly printed section of your AutoCAD drawing, ready for presentation or distribution. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you master the art of printing selected areas in AutoCAD.